Losing weight without exercise can be achieved through diet and lifestyle changes. Here are some tips to help you do so. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid high calorie, high fat, and sugary foods. Keep track of your calorie intake. Use a food diary or a calorie tracking app to help you stay within your daily calorie limit. Drink plenty of water. Water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain and a decrease in metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Reduce stress. Stress can cause overeating and weight gain. Find ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Avoid snacking. Snacking between meals can add extra calories to your diet and contribute to weight gain. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda and fruit juice, are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Stick to water or unsweetened drinks. Remember, everyone's body is different, and it's important to find a plan that works for you and your lifestyle. Consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet and lifestyle.